In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust line spacing in Mailchimp templates quickly and easily. Whether you're refining the aesthetic of an email or enhancing its readability, adjusting line spacing is a crucial skill. Let's dive right in and make sure your emails look just the way you envision. First things first, you'll need to head to Mailchimp's website. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to set one up, but in this tutorial, I'm assuming you're already familiar with this part. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Look for the Campaigns tab on your dashboard. Click on this tab and you'll see all your existing campaigns laid out in front of you. At this point, you can either select a campaign you've already created, or if you're starting fresh, there's an option to create a new campaign as well. With your chosen campaign at hand, locate the Edit Design button. This will open up the email editor, which is the tool you'll use to tweak and perfect your email's appearance. Within the editor, you'll see various components of your email laid out. What you want to do now is to focus on the text block. This is the section where your adjustable line spacing comes into play. Click on the text block you wish to modify. You should see the text you plan to refine. Select and highlight this text. Think about the changes you want to apply to the spacing. Highlighting the text is crucial as it ensures that the changes you make apply specifically to this portion. Now take a look at the icons above. Among them, you should see an icon representing line height. This icon often looks like stacked lines, and it's your key tool for adjusting spacing. Click on it, and you will be presented with a drop-down menu. Here lies your ability to tweak the line spacing. You can opt for default settings or manually adjust the spacing using numerical values or percentages. Just choose the option that best fits your design needs. Remember, the right spacing can significantly improve readability and the overall look of your email. Once satisfied with your adjustments, don't forget to hit save and close. This will ensure all your changes are securely applied to the email template. With these steps completed, your email is now beautifully spaced and ready for sending. And there you have it. Adjusting the line spacing in your Mailchimp templates is that straightforward. By following these steps, you'll ensure your emails are not only visually appealing, but also perfectly tailored to your communication style. Thanks for tuning in, and now you're ready to create emails that not only capture attention but convey your message clearly.